Hi, I'm Juliana, and today in the kitchen, we're making a pasta recipe that's a fast weeknight meal, and it's perfect for date night too. Think fresh lemons, parmesan, garlic, and juicy plump shrimp in a light but creamy sauce. It's the kind of recipe that is fancy enough for company, but fast enough for weeknights. So if you like the sounds of that, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me show you how to make this creamy lemon shrimp pasta. This is going to be a multi-pot cooking adventure. And we're going to crush some garlic into a frying pan with some butter for our shrimp and a saucepan with some olive oil for our sauce. I'm cooking the shrimp separately because shrimp cooks super fast and I don't want to add raw shrimp to a cream sauce. I think that's a bad idea. So one extra pot, we're safe, delicious, and cooked to perfection. So next we want to zest our lemon and we want to give it a squeeze. Get the juice of a lemon ready to go. We're also going to need some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Next, we want to chop up a couple of mushrooms. You can use fancy mushrooms like oyster mushrooms if you want, especially if you're doing a date night version. But regular weeknight version, we can just use cremini mushrooms, brown mushrooms, white, whatever you got on hand. I'm making a half recipe today, which is enough for 2 people, but I will have the measurements for you for a full recipe that serves 4 to 6 people as well. A couple other scullery duty tasks before we get to the stove and start cooking is you want to finely chop up an onion. For the 2-person version, you just want a 1/4 cup. And the last bits of scullery duty we need to do is chop a bit of fresh parsley for garnish. I'm using flat leaf Italian parsley. And of course, we need the star of the show, your shrimp. And I cheated and bought the kind that's already deveined and peeled. Okay, before we start the party at the stove, we got a few more ingredients to get ready. You want to have 1/3 cup of sour cream and 3/8 cup of light cream, like half and half coffee cream, and your 2 cups of pasta, whatever you're going to use, and also a 1/4 cup of frozen peas. So let's head to the stove and put this together now. Let's get our pasta on to boil. We need a big full pot of water. If you need a ratio for how much salt to water, usually if you go with about 8 cups of water to 1.5 teaspoons of salt, you've got the equivalent of seawater, which is what you want to cook your pasta in. So we'll just cover that, have it on high, and bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for our water to boil for the pasta, let's get the sauce started. So in the saucepan with the garlic and olive oil, we want to add our onion, and we just want to saute that for about 2 minutes or so till it's softened and nice and fragrant. Next, you want to add your mushrooms. And your peas. And your salt, and a little bit of pepper to taste. So that's probably about 1/8, maybe 1/16 of pepper. And we're just going to saute these until the mushrooms have reduced in size by about half. While those mushrooms are cooking down, we're going to get our pasta going because the water is boiling. You just want to give that a stir every couple of minutes, keep an eye on it. Once our mushrooms are cooked down nice like that, it's time to add the sour cream and stir that in. And then add our Parmesan cheese and our lemon zest. And next you want to add your cream, just adding a little bit at a time and stirring it in completely before you add the next bit. Then you just want to stir it occasionally, keeping it on like the medium-low kind of heat. And keep an eye on it until all the cream is starting to bubble and simmer again. Once you see those bubbles starting in the middle, not just on the sides, you can turn it down to low and stir in a little bit at a time your lemon juice. If you do it this way, it won't curdle. That's why we stir it in a little bit at a time slowly, and we lower our temperature. Now we're going to set this aside and start the shrimp. So for the shrimp, you just want to go over a medium heat and get that garlic cooking nicely in the butter. As soon as that garlic is starting to brown, and you can smell how awesome it smells, you add your shrimp. And they do not take very long at all to cook. As soon as they're pink, they're done. These look like they are just about done. Smaller shrimp, of course, will cook faster. And our shrimp are done. So I like to just give them a light dusting of salt and a little squeeze of lemon. Our pasta is ready, so we want to drain that. And then return your pasta to your cooking pot. And we're going to add the sauce. And then stir to coat. And add your shrimp. Or you could serve the shrimp directly on top as well. And then you just want to plate it up, which means you need to top it with some more of that fresh grated parmesan and garnish it with a little bit of parsley. And dinner is ready. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Thanks for stopping at the kitchen. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.